In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards and reports in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. We'll take a journey through HubSpot's intuitive interface to help you create insightful visualizations of your data that can drive actionable decisions for your business. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to HubSpot's homepage. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot site. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, just follow the process to create an account and then proceed to log in. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub and where all the magic begins. Next, direct your attention to the main menu. Here you will find the reporting option. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of features that HubSpot offers in terms of data analysis. Now that you're in the reporting section, let's move on to dashboards. Dashboards are a fantastic way to visualize multiple reports in a single view, making it much easier to understand complex data at a glance. Click on Dashboards to proceed. At this point, you'll see an option labeled New Dashboard. This is where you can create your very own personalized dashboard. Give this a click. Next, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your dashboard. It's always a good idea to choose a descriptive name that reflects the data or purpose of the dashboard to keep things organized. Once you've named your dashboard, you'll notice a Create Dashboard button. Click this button and voila, you have successfully created a dashboard. It doesn't stop there though. Dashboards gain their value from the reports you add to them, and that's what we'll do next. While still within the reporting section, you'll want to navigate to Reports. This is where individual data elements come together to present meaningful insights. With these, you can track key performance metrics or any other information relevant to your goals. Click on Reports to see what's available. Here's the fun part. Clicking on Create Report will give you the tools to design a report based on your data needs. HubSpot's intuitive interface allows you to play with different data sets, filters, and visualization styles, helping tailor reports to precisely what you want to see. Once you have crafted a report to your liking, this can easily be added to your dashboard. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've managed to create a dashboard and report within HubSpot. By leveraging these tools, you're well equipped to make data-driven decisions with ease. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to explore more of what you can do with HubSpot to fully harness its power. Thanks for tuning in and happy dashboarding.